Today, we're starting a new challenge. As you can see, ChatGPT asked me to create a weather app using simple things like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It says React if I prefer. Actually, I would rather not. But let's make it a little bit more complex to showcase uh, how it would be if we were to use React. We're going to be using React today. So, we're going to start right now. First, I want to check why my voice sounds so damn low. All right. Whoa. All right, we have started our new React app. For some reason, every time I use create React app, I get this error. If anybody knows why, please let me know. All right, we have everything set up. And again, we're going to have 60 minutes to get how far we can get. So let's see, 60 minutes and 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. All right. So first, let's start again with this. We have to create a weather app using the OpenWeatherMap API. So I have to read a couple of things to see how it works, but basically we have our API key, and with this API key, we can get stuff. We don't need a lot of components actually. We just need the weather. Let's call it the weather car component. It's gonna be a car. And and that's pretty much it. I am guessing we just have an input form. Why don't we start coding instead? We don't need to create a component for a header. Like, why would you do that? We're gonna start using React icons. We want something like this, probably a fat one. Let's create a new folder called components. And inside the folder, we're gonna create the weather JSX component. And there you go. Now, I want to see how the weather app looks on my phone. So basically, we have your city and the temperature, and then we have like the description, which is it's cloudy. First, let's go back to our weather component. First, we're gonna need the city or the country. Let's call it an H2, an H2. Then we're gonna have the description. Let's work on the styles for now. Let's create a new folder, styles folder. All right, I'm not sure about it, but I feel like it looks empty, you know? I mean, it's a weather app. What else can you I don't think there is much. There isn't a lot of things to add to a weather app. And also, I think the API. Wait, how much time do we have left? I spent so much time on this. All right, let's work on. We're gonna figure that out later. For now, I think it looks okay, right? I mean, what else can you add? Wait, am I speaking too loud? I think I'm speaking too loud. But what else can you add to a uh weather app? That's the weather. Wow, that's crazy. All right, so basically we have to follow this, and as you can see, we need the latitude. Well, we need the coordinates, right? And to get the coordinates, we can use geocoding API. So we need to do two API calls. So this is gonna be called the asynchronous get weather function. I forgot the function. I think that should work. Not sure though. Okay, bad query. Wait. So yes, I get it, but I don't get it. Oh, got it. We got it. So we're getting the latitude and the longitude. We're getting the coordinates. Now with these coordinates, let's create inside the function, we're gonna have a coordinates object. And we're gonna say coordinates that longitude equals to response long. And we are going to plug our coordinates. So we're gonna try again. Aha, perfect. Now that we have our coordinates, we can continue with the next part, which is gonna be the actual weather. In this weather, we just have to copy this, and we're gonna try to result equals await. Okay, so as you can see right here, we are using something that we should not be using. It says right here. So let's check what's going on. It says that 3.0 requires like payment, I guess. So I know there is one for free. Ah, here it is. The free one, it's 2.5 instead of 3.0. So let's just change that real quick. 2.5. Now I am scared. Let's open the console again. Let's refresh. Invalid API key. It could be that the key is not activated yet. So we're gonna wait for a while. In the meantime, let's check what's the type of answer we're gonna get. This is the answer we're gonna get from the free API. We're gonna get basically nothing. We're gonna use the metric system because we are normal. We still have 17 minutes and we're only missing that tiny detail. So in the meantime, let me see if it works. It's not working. What the hell is wrong with my API key, boy? All right, wait. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Let's copy this because we only changed the 2.5 to the. So let's change the whole thingy. Let's say the API key is equal to, and remember that we need to get the units as metric. Let's check now. That was a problem. Damn. All right, so we have this, and we are going to set local weather to response. And let's change this for, I guess it's in the main, in the temp. Perfect. Weather, that main, that temp. That temp. All right, very specific. And we want more information. Where is the description? It should have a description right here in the weather, maybe? Yes, description clear sky. Perfect. If I say Guatemala City, amazing. But if I refresh, it's gonna give us a problem, right? So let's do something. Let's say that if we don't have a weather, we should send weather, but perfect. So we still have 7 minutes. And this is what we have for now. Let me make this bigger for you. So we have a beautiful, not so beautiful weather app. And we just have to look for our country and we're gonna get our temperature and the description of the weather. Definitely we can improve the styling by adding pictures if the the depending on the description, that's something that we can work on. And but basically, like the basic things are here. Now we just need to continue working on it. But that I like it. The weather API, I hate it because you need to have the coordinates first, then weather. Okay, but we got it. So for now, I think that's pretty much it. So I'll see you on the next one.